Next question from Kalab. Is one allowed to use Indian incense for its smell and dispelling insects, not for anything related to Avodah Zarah?
I didn't get the first part. Could you read it again? Sorry.
Yeah, the Indian
Oh,
incense.
in Indian incense. That was not used for. I mean, how do I know they were not used? I mean, I don't know what they mean. The sticks. I would say the better thing would buy oil if somebody will like this incense, buy some perfume oil and burn it. So they usually like from regular store, not from the Indian store. That's it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.